Cursor can build a whole app from plain English. In this guide, you will make a to-do app with agent mode. It takes about 5 minutes. Let's get started.
Agent mode is Cursor's AI assistant. It searches your code, edits files, and runs commands for you. One panel holds 4 modes. Agent builds features. Ask answers questions. Plan reviews the approach first. Debug finds what broke. Open it with Ctrl+I and cycle with Shift+Tab.
Start with an empty folder. In Cursor, open the File menu and choose Open Folder. Pick your folder and press Select Folder. This folder is the agent's workspace. Everything it builds will live here.
Press Ctrl+I to open the agent panel. Switch the mode to Plan. Then describe the app you want. The agent thinks first and writes a clear plan. It lists the files it will create. Review the plan, then approve it. Planning first means fewer surprises later.
Now switch to agent mode and send the same request. The agent creates the files one by one. It writes the HTML structure, the styles, and the JavaScript logic. New code appears in green. Review each change and press Ctrl+Enter to accept.
Time to run it. Right-click the index.html tab and choose Open in Browser. Cursor's built-in browser renders the page. The progress bar fills and your app appears. This is your app running for real.
Now, test every feature. Type a task and press Add. Mark it complete with a click. Delete the ones you do not need, then refresh the page. The tasks are still there, saved in your browser's local storage.
Note that Safari blocks local storage on local files, so use a local server there.
Want a new look? Select the style rules and press Ctrl+K. Type your request in plain English like, switch to a dark theme, accept the change, and watch the preview update instantly.
Mistakes happen. A typo in the code throws an error in the console. Do not panic. Tell the agent what broke. It reads the error, fixes the typo, and the error disappears. For tricky bugs, switch to debug mode and let it investigate first.
Make the agent consistent with project rules. Create a rules file in the .cursor folder. Add simple instructions, like use plain JavaScript, and keep styles in one file. Now every future request follows the same conventions.
3 hiccups are common. No Open in Browser option, update Cursor, or use the classic Explorer. Local file will not load. Run Python --m http.server and open localhost. Agent feels stuck? Reload the window and keep tasks small.
That is the whole loop. Open a folder. Plan first. Let the agent build. Run it in the browser. Then ask for changes and fix errors. You just built a real app with Cursor. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding!